Hi, I'm Benitamartina. I completed my BTech Computer Science at Karunya University at 2021. I came to Pyspiders to improve my technological skills. So I did a Python full stack development course. It's about Python, SQL, web technology and Django. For Python, Pooja ma'am took me and she teaches us very nicely and she helped us a lot of things. And as well as about web technology, Nandita ma'am took me and she was also with hands-on practices and we did a lot of things. And SQL Hashin sir, he also helped, all the staffs helped us very well. And Django Venu sir, he is also a very good trainer. And that is how my Pyspiders journey. Thank you.
So, hi, this is Shilpa. I'm Python trainer in Basavanagudi. So, one of our students, Benitamartina, got placed in CGI as an associate system engineer with a package of 3.5 LPA per annum. Because of her dedication and her hard work, and doing presentation helped her. So, I wish her all the best.